Ever wonder why you can't just tell your heart to stop beating? Or tell your stomach to digest faster? You might think, I totally control my body. I can make my hands clap, my legs dance, my mouth talk. And yeah, on the surface you do. But your conscious mind has like zero admin privileges for the stuff that really matters. You can't manually control your heartbeat, your digestion, or your immune system. All that critical, life-sustaining code is hardwired into your genes, running on autopilot. Your consciousness doesn't even have the password to view the files, let alone edit them. Think about breathing. Your genes gave you some control there. You can hold your breath or do breathing exercises. But as a failsafe, it's also set to automatic. Otherwise, you'd just die in your sleep. But for something as critical as your heart, your consciousness is completely locked out. Your genes knew you'd mess it up and accidentally unalive yourself. Basically, your body is a high-spec PC. The core functions, heartbeat, hormones, immune response, were burned directly onto the motherboard at the factory. They boot up automatically. Your consciousness? You're just a user who can control the mouse and keyboard. You're not the admin. You don't have the root password. And why not? Because let's be real, we can't handle that kind of power. Anyone who's tried to jailbreak a phone knows you can easily brick it by deleting the wrong file. Now imagine that, but with your body. If you had 100% control, some people would just crank up their endorphins to feel amazing 24/7 and never get off the couch. Your genes want you to survive and reproduce, not just vibe into oblivion. And you know there'd be some genius trying the who can stop their liver from functioning the longest challenge. Plus, your brain just can't multitask on that level. It's too complex. Imagine you're hiking and see a bear. Instead of just running, your brain would have to manually calculate, okay, heart rate to 180 BPM, adrenaline levels up by 50%, divert blood from digestion to leg muscles. You'd be lunch before you finished the calculation. Scientifically, this is all run by your autonomic nervous system, your body's autopilot. It controls everything from your pupils getting bigger in the dark, to your face turning red, and your heart pounding when you see your crush, even when your brain is screaming, be cool. It's the ultimate example of, your mouth says no, but your body says yes. So, you're not really the one in charge. You're just along for the ride.